Understand the stretch film machine in 50 seconds. Stretch film machine is suitable for producing high transparency, high toughness film. The film is dustproof, waterproof, can stretch up to 300% without tearing, and securely wraps goods to prevent loosening. Suitable for logistics, food, construction, electronics, and chemical industries. Everything from express packaging to 10,000 tons of steel can be fixed. What is a good wrapping film? Thin but not weak, sticky but not dirty, pull but not break. These membranes are made of high-purity LP plus special additives. After precision extrusion of the die head, the film is directly cast on the cooling roller and quickly set. The winding is pulled by the servo system. Follow me, learn more about plastic machinery.